Thanks again for joining me for another powerful moment of prayer. Today, we will be praying for everyone who needs a miracle right now.
Prayer to Saint Cyprian. By the power of Saint Cyprian, may a great deal of money, wealth, and fortune come after me so that I may have comfort, health, have a good life and be happy. I ask Saint Cyprian that money, wealth, and fortune seek me today. I ask this to the power of Saint Cyprian, so be it. May money, wealth, and fortune come all at once to my home, life, family, and business. Let the enemies not see us. Through this prayer to Saint Cyprian, I ask you during this moment that you support me to raise money urgently. My commitments flood me, oh, good saint, I bow before your image to ask you to give me the grace I long for, to withstand this financial catastrophe. I call you that you are noble and generous so that your power can satisfy my urgent need, your gift, your altruism and your kind heart. O ally of the Lord, so great is your love for the poor whom we adore, your mark, that my prayer reaches you, is my most intense desire on this day. This immense concern will close in on me. I am happy to have found your powerful image that inspires me to humbly pray to you and venerate you more every day. Dear and blessed saint, offer me the hope and merciful faith of your infallible love. I kneel and ask you to have as much mercy as possible so that my finances are total to satisfy your perfect mind. Give me back my plea, O Saint Cyprian. Don't leave me without your miraculous help, please. If your help comes, my fervent faith will grow even more and nothing will prevent me from calling on you everywhere, O Shepherd of suffering. Most High, I ask you to relieve me with his faith, the extraordinary request that I humbly ask of you, Saint Cyprian. Saint and Apostle, you who are my support when my strength collapses and my faith diminishes, I beg you. O my pious who illuminated me from your almighty height, I ask you, O divine and faithful blessed, with your faith and your power, bless me today. Grant me happiness, that I don't go hungry and have a good life for me and my family, please. Your indulgence and my prayer, always together, will be a prayer and a request. Amen.
Type Amen if you believe in miracles. Type Amen if you feel abundant. Watch this important message right now.